How to use Perplexity AI's Pro Search feature. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. You can either use Brave or Google Chrome. Now go to perplexity.ai. For that, click right here and you can select continue with Google, or you can enter your email to get a code. I'm just gonna go with continue with Google. You can get Pro feature right now, but I'm just gonna click on continue with free. After that, simply click on continue. If you want to download the app, then you can simply continue with downloading the app. If not, then you will land to the main interface. Here you can search for anything that your heart desires. In the search section, you should see a Pro option on the right side. As you can see, it's not available on mine, but you can see something like this. After clicking on this Pro search option, your search will be more deep researched. Pro search on Perplexity AI's advanced research mode. Unlike quick search, which gives short answers, Pro search digs deeper, pulling for more resources. It's great for in-depth research, fact-checking, and professional use. So that's all for today. Thank you.